Hey guys, we are back and today I'll be unboxing and giving my initial review for XIRUS Massage Gun. This is a deep tissue massage gun and apparently this is a new massage gun out in the market right now. So let's go ahead and check it out. So this is a price for $119.99, but it was $169.99. So we're gonna go see if it's even worth $119. So compared to a more professional massager, this one is smaller, as you guys can see. Nice bag. So it comes with a hard case, as you guys can see. Nice handle. So hopefully that says a lot about this product. The zipper is easy to open and close, so that is a good thing. Now let's go ahead and check it out. Okay, so it comes with a user manual. Let's go see how. Oh, looks like it's pretty detailed on what you can get from these. Okay, product parameters. So it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 massage heads. So that is a good thing. 8 massage heads, 30 intensity modes. Is that good or not? We're gonna go see if that is worth it. And then it comes with a 4 replacement ring. So this is a very, very important. I appreciate when company or a product provide this kind of thing, because if you use a massager all the time, this thing runs out really quick. If you use it every day, within a month you can see the difference and changes of these silicone rings. So having these available is a very, very helpful, and I'm surprised they give 4. So that is a very good thing. So I appreciate that, guys. So okay, so it comes, check that out. So I like these. It's pretty padded. They put these, so that means it is protected. So that is a good thing. It comes with an AC/DC adapter, 25.2 volts. And looks like you can use these anywhere in the world because it's 100 to 250 volts. So that should work even if you are traveling outside US or anywhere where the volt is completely different than what we have right here in US. So nice bag. That's pretty cool. Usually in other massage gun that I have in the past, it's just out here. So this one is nice because it comes with a nice bag. So that's a good thing. And I've never seen it on an orange. So I don't even know what this is. We're going to go check out later. Well, it looks like this is already discoloring. So this means, as you guys, I don't know if you guys can see it. So this kind of material gets dirty quick. So you might want to go make sure that you clean it all the time. And this is the thing that I'm telling you guys. They provide a replacement, which is super nice. So that is a good thing. So that's that. Okay, and there's the fork head. Heavy duty plastic, which is good. Not so cheap, a filling at least. And this one is soft. It's like a silicone. So you guys can see that. It's moving. Then the flat head. So pretty nice. And what else do you have? Okay, so this is the bullet. If you guys have a specific pain that you want to get deep onto, this is a very good. And this is the ball head. So it's nice and soft. Not so soft. I'm not sure how do you call it. It's like a styrofoam kind of. Not sure what you call that material. And then again, this is plastic. I don't know what this is for. And then, oh wow, okay. So this is the first time I see this kind. I think it's more of like a thigh or an area. So I guess this groove here will help somehow ease the pain. So these are all the massage head. Now let's go ahead and check out the most important thing. Okay, this is pretty heavy. It's kind of like 2 pounds. Heavy duty. So far, so good. As you guys can see, that is the name of the massager. Nice handle, ergonomic design. I love that this is a silicone filling in here. So far so good. It's not so heavy, not so light, and so again, if you prefer this kind of thing, that will be really good. Okay, so this I guess is where the sound or the heat or whatever, I don't know. I'm not a professional. Okay, so I'm not sure what that is. You guys can see there's like that black thing popping in there. So let's see how easy it is attaching. Oh, it's pretty good stuck in there. Nice. Okay, I appreciate that. And now let's go try a different head. Okay, so stuck really good, which is nice. Okay, I want to try this one. Since I've never had this kind, let's try this one. And then there is a charging port here, so you guys can see. And then this is how you turn it on. Let's turn it on. Oh, nice. You guys see that? Whoa. So it shows you the battery life. Right now, this comes a 60% charge from the time I got it. And it also shows on the side as 60%. So if you're not looking in here, you can still see on this side. If you are laying it down and you want to see how many percentage when you're charging, I guess, it shows here how many percent is left. And then the plus and minus for the mode. Can I press it in here? Nope. I guess I have to remove the plastic. Hopefully, because it's not pressing. Tips. Keep the power off during charging. Okay, well, that's a nice tip. Usually that's what you wanted. Okay, well. Oh, you have to. Is that a fingerprint? I'm not sure. What is that? It's not turning on? That's pretty tricky. Did I miss something? Okay, let's go try to go figure out what we are missing. The muzzle handle, okay. Parameters, it should be low. Where is it that says how to turn it on? In working mode, 16 to 24 gear. It says you can use 8 to 16 hours for the highest gear, and the low gear gives you 16 hours of work time. Okay, well, I want to know 50 dB according to here for the noise level, but I'm not sure. What the heck? It's not turning on. There's a power. Am I missing it? Why is it? Oh. See? Do I have to remove these? It's not. Doesn't seem like this is because of the plastic. It's just a tape there. I am very confused, guys. It's not turning on. Should turn on because there's 60% on it. I want to know how noisy it is, and I can show you guys. Maybe it needs to be charged 100%, but we're gonna find out next time on our next video. Do I think it's worth $119? Technically it's $120 because it's $119.99 right now. It's on sale. I am not sure. I own something similar to this that is $60, but since I can show you guys the noise level and how deep it goes massage wise right now, unfortunately, so I can't really tell if it's worth $119, if it's better than my $60 or the $80 massager that I have used. Since I can't do that, we're gonna try to do a second review once this is fully charged, and we're gonna see and find out what the heck is happening. It doesn't show anything in here how to turn it on, so that is a big bummer. They should show you. It should be like user friendly, right? Turn it on, press the button, just like a click, but nothing is happening, unfortunately. So with that said, thank you guys for watching. I honestly don't think this is worth that price so far, but we're gonna see if I can justify that price after I start using it. But for now, I think I am not convinced that this is worth $119. Maybe $60 to $80, then I said yes. But for now, I said no for that price tag. And with that, I said thank you guys for watching. Remember to subscribe to Yoni J, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.